Hey guys, Kevin Auto Insider here. So today we have this Land Cruiser Prado that uses 2TR engine. So the customer complained of rough idling, and when in a traffic jam and the gear is engaged, the car would stop. So after diagnosing, we have found a code to do with P0116. That's a code to do with the throttle. So we went ahead to see what's the problem, and as you can see, the throttle body is very dirty. So this we need to work on this. You can see this is very dirty, so we are going to dismantle this throttle and use a choke cleaner or the cap cleaner to clean. Remember, when you are doing this, your engine should be off. You should also disconnect the socket for the throttle. Okay, and this that actually is the one that causes the car to have a low RPM. So in case you're driving a car then has a very low RPM below 5, so it will always shake and have a very bad idling. So you can see we are now going to clean it using a choke cleaner, and that's how it looks. So we are going to clean more and have it very clean. So watch with me. Remember, when you're doing this, you should be very careful. Actually, perform with a technician or have a skill when you're doing that. So that has actually been solved. So when you close this, remember to turn the current pipes and everything. Use the silicone to prevent the air leak, and now turn back everything. When you're starting the car, it will probably have a hard start for some time, but that will stop. Remember to subscribe to Auto Insider here, Kevin. Thank you.